Welcome to Spring LIB.
In this problem, given data is that is there is a gravity field, gravity free hall is given, and in this hall there is a experimenter of mass 50 kg is resting on 5 kg pillow. So that means I can say that the mass of experimenter is that is equal to 50 kg, and the weight of pillow is given, that is equal to mass of pillow is given, that is equal to 5 kg, and this experimenter is resting on this pillow and 8 feet above the floor of hall. That means height also given, that is 8 feet above the floor. Now in the question it is saying that this experimenter pushes the pillow down so that it starts falling at a speed that is given v, that is equal to 8 feet per second, and in the question it is saying that the pillow makes a perfectly elastic collision with the floor, rebounds and reaches the experimenter's head. So this data is given, and now in the question it is saying that we have to find out the time elapsed in this process. So now let's start answering this question. So in the answer I can say that mass of experimenter, or I can say that man, is given, that is equal to 50 kg, and mass of pillow is given, that is mp is equal to 5 kg. So this is a mass of man, that is that is equal to 50 kg, and mass of pillow, that is mp is equal to 5 kg. Now I can say that velocity of pillow with respect to man will be written as, that is vpm is equal to 8 feet per second. Now consider that the velocity of man is vm, so I can say that vpm will be equal to, that is vp minus vp plus vm. So I had get a relation between velocity of pillow with respect to man, and velocity of man and vm, that is velocity of man, and vp, that is velocity of pillow. Here the sign is added because the direction is opposite, so after it subtraction they will become positive, so that's why I had written between plus sign. So now next step is, by using this relation I can say that vp will be equal to vpm minus vm. Now in the question given hall is, that is gravity free hall, so I can say that there is no external force acting on this system, so it means the acceleration of center of mass is 0, and the velocity of center of mass remains constant. So here I will write, that is as no as external force act on system, so acceleration of center of mass is 0, and velocity of center of mass will be written as, that is, remains constant. Now next step is, here I am applying the law of conservation of linear momentum. So it will be written as, that is, after applying this law, that is law of conservation of linear momentum, the result will be, that is mm multiplied by Vm is equal to mp multiplied by Vp. So that means the linear momentum of experimenter, or I can say that man, is equal to linear momentum of pillow. So now next step is substitute the data. So it will be written as, that is mm, that will be mass of experimenter, that will be 50 kg multiplied by Vm, which we have to find out, is equal to mp, that will be 5 multiplied by, now Vp will be written as, by using this above step, that is Vp is equal to Vpm minus Pm Vm. So I can say that 5 multiplied by Vp will be written as, that is Vpm minus Vm. So now next step is put the value of Vpm, that is given in the question, that is 8 feet per second. So I can say that it will be written as, that is 50 multiplied by Vm is equal to 5 multiplied by 8 minus Vm. Now simplify it, then I will get the velocity of man, that is Vm is equal to 8 over 11, or I can say that numerical value is, that is 0.727 feet per second. So now next step is, I will try to find velocity of pillow, that will be Vp, that will be equal to, by using this again relation, that is Vp is equal to Vpm minus Vm, and here putting the value of Vpm and Vm. So I can say that it will be written as, that is Vpm is, that is 8, then minus Vm is, that is, which I get in the above step, value is, that is 0.727. So solve it, then I will get the value of Vp, that is equal to 7.2 feet per second. Now next step is time taken to reach the floor is given by, that is T is equal to S over V. S will be, that is 8 divided by V will be, that is 7.2. So here I am getting the time by which the pillow is falling down. So in the question the height is given, that is 8 feet. By 8 feet the pillow is falling down, and Vp, velocity of pillow, is, which I had gotten in the above step. So I can say that the time will be written as, that is T is equal to height over velocity. So height is, that is 8 feet, and velocity is, that is 7.2 feet per second. So simplify it, then I will get the value of time T, that is equal to 1.11 second. Now as the mass of wall is much greater than mass of pillow, I can say that velocity of block before collision is equal to velocity after collision. So that's why the time taken to reach the floor is equal to the time after rebounding, value is same. So I can say that the total time will be written as, that is 2 times of T, that will be equal to 2 multiplied by 1.11, that will be 2.22 second. So this is the answer of given question. That is, in the question it is asking that we have to find time elapsed in the process when pillow is taking a collision with the floor and rebounding and reaches the experimental head. So I can say that the value is, that is total time elapsed, that will be equal to 2.22 second. Hence I had solved the question completely. Thank you.